%75 didn't even go wide open except a little squirt.
Right, yeah. So you built that, right?
Got the hole from the neighbor for free. It had a nitro motor in it. Ripped all the nitro stuff out. Bought electric stuff. Bought electric stuff and then fiberglassed a motor mount in because it didn't have a motor mount for an electric motor.
Yeah.
And this is a really old boat, so you can't find parts anywhere. It's been discontinued for probably a decade.
Okay.
And batteries, all that, yeah. Fitted the servo in there ourselves, custom mount, receiver as well. That's it, yeah.
That's a blast.
It's actually great because this hole is like a lot of the gas boats and nitro boats are designed just a lot more deep V, and that's great for down here with the choppiness.
Yeah.
Because most people, like all the other speedboats, they have like